Hello little scientists, welcome to Alan IntelliBrain. We all have heard about the volcanoes, right? In this video, let's perform an activity and observe how the volcanoes erupt underwater. From the IntelliSmart box, take out the heat and convection activity kit. From the kit, take out the empty glass bottle, red food color bottle, foam ring, bamboo stick and a disposable glass. You will also need a glass of cold water and hot water from your home. Insert the glass bottle into the foam ring. Now, insert the bamboo stick into the small hole of the foam ring. This stick is the handle to pick up the glass bottle. Pour 4 to 5 drops of red food color into the glass bottle. Now, fill the glass bottle with hot water. Fill the disposable glass with cold water. Now, pick up the bottle by holding the bamboo stick handle and gently place it at the bottom of the glass filled with cold water. Ensure that the bottle stays upright while doing this. Can you see an eruption similar to an underwater volcano? The underwater volcano is created because the hot water rises and the cold water sinks. The particles of the hot water are moving faster and are further apart than those of the cold water. As a result, when we place the bottle inside the container filled with cold water, the hot water inside the bottle started to rise out of the bottle and circulated to the top of the container, as it is less dense than the surrounding cold water. The red hot water then remained at the top of the container and created what looks like an erupting volcano. Hot water is less dense than cold water. The hot water inside the bottle started to rise out of the bottle and circulate to the top of the container, as it is less dense than the surrounding cold water. Lighter fluids rise and heavier fluids sink. Visualize science with IntelliBrain and fall in love with learning.